If you want to increase the life of your washing machine, you should decalcify it regularly. How you do that best I show you in this video. Be sure to watch it until the end. Perfect for descaling the washing machine is citric acid. Here I use our own citric acid from our store. You can find the link to the store below in the video description. Feel free to have a look there. Limescale is one of the most common problems with washing machines, and citric acid is perfect for counteracting it. All you need is about 7 to 8 tablespoons of citric acid. I have already filled this into a container, and now we dump it into the washing machine. Now we have to let the washing machine run through a little bit. But there are some things to consider, and I would like to explain them to you now in more detail. The washing machine should run through in any case without closes, and then you should set it to 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. In no case over 40 degrees Celsius, because this creates another substance that can clog your device or the pipes. Therefore, maximum 40 degrees Celsius, it should not be more. And then you let the washing machine run first, but don't let it run through completely. But after about 20 minutes you should stop this process again. Because now the citric acid is distributed everywhere in the machine and in the pipes, and must of course first act. And for this, as I said, we turn off the washing machine once after about 20 minutes. If you can pause your washing machine, you put it on pause. If not, you have to turn it off completely. Now the citric acid can work all over the nooks and crannies of your washing machine and make sure that everything is really nicely decalcified. And when about an hour or two has passed, you can start the washing machine again and let it finish the cycle. Then your washing machine is successfully decalcified, and depending on how often you use your washing machine, you should repeat this process every 1 to 3 months. This will significantly increase the life of your washing machine, and you will also save energy, and the washing results will not get worse over time because the washing machine is always properly decalcified. If you now still want to know how you can also perfectly clean the drawer on your washing machine, take a look at the video which I now link to you at this point. If you liked the video, then I would be really happy about a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any new video.